Hello guys, what is going on? Welcome to another tutorial video. But before we start, I want to wish you guys an amazing day if you're not already having it, and I hope you're all doing well. And in this tutorial, I will be explaining to you guys is how you can turn off the functionality of Battle.net, the Battle.net client opening automatically on PC startup. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, currently I am logged into my account on Battle.net on the client on my PC, and what I want to do, or what you want to do rather, to actually shut off the automatic startup option is to go to the menu, and the menu is here on the Battle.net logo in the top left. Just click on that and this menu should appear. Once you are here, you want to go to settings, and once you click on that, you will get taken to the settings. Here you see all these different settings sections or groups or whatever you want to call it. However, the one you want to go to is the app settings, which is the one that'll automatically be opened when you click on settings. And here you'll see all the general settings, and among them you see the startup. Now, under the startup, you'll see all these checkboxes, one of which is launch Battle.net when I start my computer, and below that, launch Battle.net minimized to the system tray. What you want to do is make sure that both of these are unticked, because if they are, they will launch, and you don't want that. So just make sure that they are unticked, and that should pretty much be it. If you save, these should automatically be saved. If they aren't, just click done, and once you are done, it should not launch anymore. The reason you might want to do this is to improve performance on your computer when you're actually starting up, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.